This is the second video of e-commerce analytics series, and in this video I will guide you through the process of conducting a web analytics audit of your e-commerce store. By conducting a thorough web analytics audit, you will identify areas for improvement, optimize your website user experience, and maximize your online sales potential. During this video I will cover the following steps: is checking installation methods of GA4 and other tags, conducting an GA4 audit, checking and implementing Google Tag Manager, and implementing heat maps and on-site surveys. First of all, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify and check how all your tags installed. To understand this, you need to go to online store theme and click on these three dots and click edit code. Here you need to check all your marketing tracking pixels. It can be Google Tag Manager code, also it can be data layer code for tags. Also, after you check everything here, you need to go to settings and then checkout, and here you can scroll down and check what order status page scripts you are using. After you check everything inside your Shopify admin, then I suggest you to log into Google Tag Manager, and here you need to verify all your tags that you're using. And the best way to do it is to use the preview mode, click connect, and check what tags are firing, what are not firing, and so on. I suggest you to make a test purchase to verify the whole e-commerce journey of your users. The next step will be audit of your Google Analytics account. And I recently created a really comprehensive video about how to audit your GA4 account. Plus, I share with you my free GA4 audit checklist. You can find these resources in the description below. But here, I suggest you to download this checklist and watch my video. After you audited everything, then you can add heat maps and on-site surveys tools to improve your data infrastructure and capture not only quantity of data but quality of data as well. Here you can use Microsoft Clarity, Hotjar, or Mouseflow to cover all your heat maps and surveys needs. And as an extra step, you may need to utilize consent management tool, especially if you're selling your products in Europe. You can implement consent management tools as OneTrust to make sure your privacy regulations compliant. Hope this video was useful. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't want to miss new videos about e-commerce analytics, and have a great day.